Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Iranian currency with a special focus on a coin that holds historical significance, the 20 Iranian Rial from 1364 or 1985 in the Gregorian calendar. While it might seem like a simple coin at first glance, this small dot piece of history carries a story of Iran's economy, its transitions, and the experiences of the people who lived through that time. So let's get started and explore why this coin is so valuable. The year 1364 in the Iranian calendar corresponds to 1985 in the Gregorian calendar. This period in Iran's history was a pivotal one marked by economic challenges, political upheaval, and the aftermath of the Iran-Iraq War, which lasted from 1980 to 1988. The country had just emerged from years of intense conflict, and the economic landscape was shifting rapidly. In 1985, Iran was dealing with inflation and a weakened currency, and this was reflected in everyday life. Prices were constantly on the rise, and the government was trying to stabilize the economy. In this context, the 20 Iranian Rial coin was issued, a denomination that was once worth much more than it is today. Let's take a closer look at the design of the coin. The 20 Iranian Rial coin from 1364 features a distinctive design that reflects the era's aesthetic and the national pride of Iran. On the obverse side, we see the inscription 20 Rials in Persian, surrounded by a beautiful floral motif. It's a reminder of Iran's rich cultural heritage. You'll also find the year of minting -1364 on this side, showing the specific year it was produced. On the reverse side, you can see a prominent image of the Azad Tower in Tehran, a symbol of modern Iran that was completed in 1971. The tower is often seen as a symbol of freedom and national pride, making it an important part of Iran's architectural heritage. Now, let's talk about the economic value of this coin. In 1985, 20 Rials may not have seemed like a huge amount of money, but its purchasing power was far more significant than it is today. To give you some perspective, back then, you could buy everyday items like bread or tea for a fraction of this amount. Over time, due to inflation and changes in the Iranian economy, the value of the rial has dramatically decreased. Today, this same coin is considered a rare collector's item, despite being only worth a few cents now. It holds immense value for collectors, historians, and those who are interested in the evolution of Iranian currency. It's a symbol of a time when Iran was going through both a period of economic difficulty and national transformation. Coins like the 20 Rial from 1364 represent more than just a financial tool. They are a reflection of the people's daily lives and their connection to the broader economic and political environment. People who lived in Iran during the 1980s remember the weight of these coins not only as currency but as part of their everyday experiences during difficult times. Over the years, as inflation took its toll, smaller denim transactions, but it also became a nostalgic piece of the past, a reminder of the economic struggles that shaped the lives of many Iranians. And even today, it holds a deep emotional connection for those who lived through the. So why should you care about collecting coins like this one? Well, historical coins can provide a window into the past. They allow us to understand not only the economic conditions, but also the culture, the politics, and the social life of an era. A coin from 1364 isn't just a relic of the past. It's a key that unlocks stories of a country, its people, and its struggles, collectors value these coins for their rarity, historical significance, and the connection they offer to the past. If you find yourself with a coin like this one, it's not just about its face value, it's about owning a piece of history. In conclusion, the 20 Iranian Rial coin from 1364 is much more than just a simple currency. It's a reflection of Iran's economic history, its culture, and its resilience during a challenging period. Whether you're a collector, a history enthusiast, or just curious about the past, coins like this serve as a tangible link to the history we often overlook. Thank you for joining me in this deep dive into the value of the 20 Rial coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting content.